Today we're taking a look at one of the most iconic high-end blenders on Amazon, the Ascent series Vitamix in striking red. If you're looking to finally bite the bullet and invest in a blending machine that is insanely versatile and will last for many years to come, look no further. This is actually my second Vitamix. I sold the first model I had when moving house as I needed to reduce my load. It gave me an excuse to buy a newer model. This one here I've had since 2017, and I use it pretty much every day, most often for my smoothies. But if you know Vitamix, this thing does way more than smoothies. The Vitamix handles everything from grinding coffee beans or oats to fine textures, to making nut butters, to crushing ice into snow-like texture for margaritas, and it does it in seconds, not minutes. The motor is so strong, you can literally cook your soup in it, as well as blend it into creamy textures. I got rid of my regular food mixer, in fact, as I found the pulse mode on this is fine for chopping. If you love experimenting in the kitchen, the freedom you get from this machine really expands what you can do and what you actually use daily. Alongside my air fryer, this is the most valuable item in my kitchen. The power and consistency from the super strong motor and sharp precision engineered blades on this machine are superb. A budget blender might chop your fruits and veg into chunks, but Vitamix turns everything into a silky smooth consistency, whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, hot soups, or frozen desserts. Actually, banana ice cream is a favorite that I make weekly with this thing. Freeze your bananas into small chunks first and use the plunger to keep the hard chunks down. When you're making smaller quantities or grinding nuts and seeds, this plunger is immensely useful. This is not a cheap appliance, but the versatility and durability of the Vitamix make it well worth your while. I love how this is engineered to last, very rare these days. It's an investment rather than just another gadget. Cleanup is another area that wins here too. I find that blending water and white vinegar work best, although as you can see after thousands of uses, my pitcher has lost its luster. I even left it too close to the stove for a few years back, and it melted the edges. Looks nasty, but it still works. Yes, this thing gives you power, versatility, smoother results, and long-term reliability. I have never met anyone with a Vitamix who regretted their purchase. If you're new to high-speed blenders, this will likely come with a recipe book too. Highly recommend.